What's up guys, today I'm going to give you 5 reasons to buy the GoPro Hero Max over the Insta360 One X. Right now you're listening to the audio on the GoPro Hero Max. So the first reason is the audio. The GoPro Max has 6 microphones and it's got better audio than the Insta360. So that makes it a really good camera for vlogging. Number 2. Another reason that this camera is better for vlogging is it has a front-facing touchscreen. Having a touchscreen on a 360 camera and having a camera that stitches its videos in camera so you can view live what you're filming on the camera instead of having to hold your phone while you're holding the camera really helps. Number 3. The GoPro Hero Max is tougher. It's more rugged than the Insta360 One X. The Insta360 is so easy to break. I broke the mount off the bottom of one and I've broken the lenses twice on the Insta360. On the GoPro Max you can get these $20 lens covers and you can stick those over there. It doesn't degrade the quality as much as like the Venture case did on the Insta360. But you slam those on the ground, it's just $20 and you don't have to wait forever. Like when you break one of the lenses on the Insta360, you're waiting months and paying $100. Also, the GoPro Hero Max is waterproof, so you can use it when you're surfing without any kind of case. And really, it's not for diving or anything like that, but the waterproofing helps protect it. Number 4, the app is really easy to use. It's actually even easier than the Insta360 app. I edited a video on my phone last night and it only took me a few minutes and it was uploaded to one of my YouTube channels. Number 5, this is the main reason I want this camera over the Insta360 One X, and it also works as a regular GoPro. So you can go into hero mode and it has even better stability than the GoPro Hero 8. It has the best stability of any GoPro. And you could just use it as a regular GoPro. I mean, that's a really important thing for me because I don't have to carry a GoPro for certain shots, like regular shots, and a 360 camera for other shots. It's all in one. It's 3 cameras in one. You got the front-facing camera, the back-facing camera, and both of them as the 360 camera. So, you know, it really saves space in your camera bag because you're not carrying a 360 camera and a GoPro. You've got them both in one package. So for me personally, I'm going to be using the GoPro Hero Max over the Insta360 from now on, just for those reasons. I love the GoPro colors, I love the stability of the GoPro, and being able to film skateboarding with a GoPro and also having that camera turn into a 360 camera, it's definitely worth it for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.